is going to be a challenge. So what we're going to do is Mummy's gonna hide all these puzzles around here in the kitchen, okay? And you have to find them all, and then you have to place it on the floor here, and you have to fix it up, and then we'll see how quick you can get it done.
Exciting.
Does that sound exciting?
Is it gonna be a timer?
So what we're going to do is we're going to get Alexa to give you 10 minutes to find all the puzzles and fix on the floor. And I know you can do it faster than 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I know you guys are super fast. So I'm going to hide them first, and then we'll get Alexa to do the timer, okay? You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so you guys go to the other room, and Mummy's going to hide it.
I'm really good at finding stuff.
Yeah. Right, you guys stay in there. Don't be looking.
Oh, there's one ready.
Okay, bye. Okay, so there looks like there's quite a few, so I'm gonna probably just grab. This is gonna be quite hard to do, to be honest. I'll grab a few and I'm gonna put some on here. I'll grab some of these. Let's put them. This chair over here. Let's go grab some more. Let's grab some of these. I should put some over here. And then these last few bits, I'm gonna put them. Maybe I put them on here. Let's see if they're looking. Nope, they're not looking. Okay, so let's get started. Come on, guys. We're ready. I'm gonna get, right, stand there. I'm gonna get Alexa to give you 10 minutes, okay? Alexa, put 10 minutes on the timer.
10 minutes, starting now.
Ready, go. Oops, careful. Yeah, there's loads, so you have to bring them all here. There's 4 places that I've hid them, so bring them all here. Put them on the floor. Yeah, there's more.
There's 45.
There's 4 more places to find. Where else? Well done, Yusuf.
So 1, 2.
Let me give Noura a clue. Noura, come this way.
1, 2, 3.
I'll give you a clue. Come this way.
Ah.
Let Noura find this one. Check somewhere over here, over there. Can you see?
Over there. So this is the third one.
Well done. Can you get it? Right, put them on the floor. Last one, Yusuf. I'll give you a clue. Where is the fruit basket?
Fruit basket. Is this the fruit basket?
Yeah, well done. Okay,
Now fix it.
come on. So the best thing to do is turn it all the right way around. Turn them all around so you can see all the pictures. This one looks like, how many jigsaws are there? There's 45 pieces, so this might take you a little long, but let's see how fast you guys can do it. So we're trying to make this picture, the Easter floor puzzle. I'll help you, but let's get them all turned around first. Yeah, I'm gonna help you. You can't do it. You can do it. We'll all do it together. Okay, listen. The best thing to do is find the 4 corners. So that's it. Noura, you've got one. That one. That's the corner.
Is this one?
Yeah, that's the corner. This, yes, Yusuf, that's your corner. Grab that corner. Well done. Noura, you grab this corner. And I found this corner. Now we need to find one more corners.
Found one.
Can you find the corner?
Where can I see it?
Can you guys see the corner?
I will.
I don't see it.
Okay.
No, that's not the corner. Are we going blind? Where's the corner?
I think it's one. Is this it?
Ah, yes. Well done, Yusuf. Good one. 1, 2. This one's 3. 4. Okay, so now let's set the corners up.
Down. Now we have to put all of the pieces inside.
Okay, come on, Noura. Let's see if we can sort this out. So we've got 4 corners. So which is that corner, that corner, that corner, and that corner. So let's try and find this bit there. So we want to find the yellow bit, but it's got like a triangle bit on it for its head. Oh, it might be that. It might be this one.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, Noura can do the next one. Let's see.
This one.
Come on, quickly, Noura.
I didn't know how.
There you go. Well done. Right.
Then it's this one.
No, turn it around.
Then
That's
it's
it. Well done. Yes, fantastic. Turn it the other way around. It's okay. You can do. Oops, that one. Yep, that one. Yep. Yep. Good girl. Okay. Fantastic. And now.
Now this one. No.
No, that's not right. I think we have to look for
This.
something with a little bit more flowers. No. So we need to find a bit that's got yellow on the top. Maybe that one. Oh no, this one right next to you, I think. Yeah, that one. Fantastic. Right, no, that don't go there.
Now we can.
Okay. So now is the other corner. Where's the other corner gone, Yusuf? I think you sat on it. Is it that corner? Oh no, it's not. No, we still got another bit to find. Yeah. Put that one.
This one is that way.
Try it. Yep. No. Let's try it this way. Okay.
Now we can.
It's okay. That's it. Well done. Now put that. Is it the corner? Yes. So we've done one line. Yay! Come on. Let's get the second line. I don't know. Does it go there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Well done, Yusuf. No, I don't think that goes there, Yusuf. Come on, Noura. Let's find what goes here, Noura. I think we need. Let's see.
I think this goes here.
Well done.
I'm good at this.
Oh, what's this one? This one?
Goes.
No. Ah, yes. Well done.
I'm really good at it. This goes here. Was that egg?
Oh, give me that one. Give me that one. Yeah. I think this one might go in here. Yes. No, look.
I think this one is meant to go here.
You want to press it in for me? Thank you. Good girl.
This is meant to
That's fantastic, Noura.
Now we can eating another one. What's that?
Let's find.
It's the bunny now with his head. No, the bunny is going to be
What we're looking for now, Noura?
that one.
Oh yeah, the bunny.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, it might be that one. Let's see.
The one you put something on. And
I think actually, I feel like that one. Does it go in there?
my
No, it doesn't. Let's see what's this one. Is that the bunny head? Oh yeah, that's the bunny head. Oh yeah, Noura, look. Noura found that one. Where does that one go, Mummy? Find that colour.
I don't do that one first. I got this one.
No, that don't go there. Noura's one goes there, I think.
Where?
There.
This way.
No, put it this way. Yeah. Oh dear, let's see. There you go. Okay.
This is puzzle thing.
Fantastic, Yusuf. Well done.
Yay! Now I get to. Is that more?
Oh yes, good
Oh,
boy.
but the sellotape.
It's okay. That's fine. That will do. Right now, Mummy.
Okay, I don't want to. Then maybe this.
Yeah,
goes
Noura's
here.
right. Good girl, Noura. Oops.
You hold it for me.
Yeah.
And I'm going to make your phone.
Fantastic, Noura. Well done. Yay, good girl. Right, let's see. So it's
And then your body heady.
okay, find some more. Find some more.
Maybe, I don't know. Oh, this is that's different.
Well done, Noura.
I know that one.
Yeah.
I get the one.
Yeah, well done. So proud of you.
And now I'm sweet.
Can you do whichever way is easy for you? Go on.
Where?
Put it here.
I think time is on you. No.
Good girl. That's easy. Right, Noura, find some more quickly. We need to be faster now.
And this one is lonely. Those ones got my feet.
I feel, oh, this one I think Yusuf goes there.
Yeah.
There, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that was this one, my friend. This one, no one even know friends.
Let's see. Which one you got? Let's see. Bring it here. Where does that one go?
I know.
Ooh, Yusuf, I think that one. I feel like this one might go here. Yeah, yeah, that's right.
That one?
Let's see.
That one. Wait, maybe I think this one goes here. Which one? Which one?
Yeah, well then, okay, come on. We're nearly there.
Nearly.
Ooh, I think this one goes over there.
Give me. Oh,
I'll do this side. Noura, you can do this side. Yusuf will do over there, that side.
I'll do this. Yeah, go with
What else do we have?
Egg.
How close? Maybe. Oh yeah, we can stick. Oh yeah. Oh, we're nearly there. Come on.
Take your time, go.
Where's your timer going? This one might go here, I think. Yeah.
And this one goes. This one. This one. This one.
Yeah. Where's this one go?
And
That looks like this person's face. Maybe.
where got this one right?
Yeah, this one. I think. Looks like. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Come on, guys. Give me these.
Yes. This one goes.
Fantastic, Noura.
Yeah, that's easy.
That was easy peasy, lemon squeeze, right?
What?
Yeah, I've done that one. Let's see. This one looks like here, Noura.
Oh. Yeah, I got this one right.
Maybe like that.
Yes, we need it, go, Mommy. We need it, go.
Come on, quickly. Where does this one go, Noura?
No.
Not there, Mummy, not there.
It goes here, it goes there.
I think that one goes here.
No.
A bit lower. That's it. Fantastic. Come on, let's go. Yeah! Fantastic!
Now,
Let's have a look at it. Wow.